When you're at a garage sale, estate sale, thrift store, any place like that, most of us overlook the jewelry and the artwork. Now, I've done a class on the artwork that just blows everyone away who watches it, if I say so myself, and I do, because it tells you exactly what to look for, even if you can't even spell art. And I need to do some more on jewelry. I've done very little, maybe, I think I've done some, but costume jewelry is good and fine jewelry. The difference is, does it have real gold, real silver, real stones, or rhinestones and silver plate, things that just aren't worth that much money? Costume jewelry can be extremely valuable. You can't overlook it just because it doesn't say 14 karat gold somewhere on the item, or 969. 96.9% pure gold, which is a high quality item, like even a charm bracelet. If there's a charm on there that says 969, little tiny stamp on that, it's worth some money. But you need to get proper scales before you list it, because they want to know how much it weighs. A lot of people will buy your fine jewelry, your fine gold, even gold charms on a charm bracelet. They will buy it for the gold, not for the charm. You hopefully can get a premium for the gold ring or the gold brooch or the gold bracelet, but a lot of people will just buy it up real quickly for the gold itself. But you have to be accurate on how much it weighs, and people want to know how many grams it is. How many grams? I don't know why they don't use ounces like God intended, but here we are. Therefore, you have to get scales. I realize that almost all of our postal scales will measure grams. Not good enough. They will be off by significant money when it comes to measuring a 4-gram or a 6-gram or an 8-gram piece of jewelry, a charm, a something, a small earring that's pure gold. You need to know exactly how much it weighs. And to do that, you need to get gold scales. Very inexpensive. You can buy them on eBay. They're usually cheaper than Amazon. You can get them free shipping all over the place. You really can get them $10 and less most of the time. Many of them are very small pocket scales, which are fine. You might want to take it with you to your next garage sale and start weighing some of the jewelry. I don't know. But if I know it's gold and 14 karat or 969, something like that, or pure silver, I'm going to get it no matter how much it weighs. You know, if the price is just for junk jewelry, I'm going to get it. You need to have this in your photography room or wherever you list items. You need to have a scale just for gold and silver and fine jewelry like that, because you need to measure it in grams. What you need is a scale that weighs gold and silver 200 grams. You can go up to 300. It's going to cost a tad more, not much. You might as well get a 300, I guess. Mine's just 200. It's always been fine, always been just fine. I might someday wish I had a bigger one. You don't need 1,000 grams or anything else. So get one of these and you'll be glad you did.